Alright, y'all. In today's video, we are going to clean out the inside of the 4900 maintenance tank. This one over flooded and filled my table with all kinds of crap, so it's leaking everywhere. First things first, I do want to clean it out. Just gonna spray it with Windex. It literally ungums ink like nothing. It's dripping still. Alright. Let me change my parchment. Okay. Then I'm just going to go ahead and rip this off. You're going to need aluminum foil and some tape. Obviously trying to keep my hands clean. I'm going to use this bag. Hopefully I can place the sponges in here with no casualties. And we're already starting to have some. 1 second. Shit. Best bet is to put this over your trash can and dump it out. Give me a second. Alright, I'm going to take it outside and dump it in the outside trash. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. We're going to use this. I've taken out the inside. And I'm just cleaning it because when I place it in there, I don't want to mess on the inside of my ink bays. Alright, that's clean, clear. You'll want to put in a sponge that's absorbent. Me, as of right now, I ordered some that'll go in, but it's coming from overseas, and I don't even know if they're the right ones yet. But for right now, I'm just putting in an extensive amount of napkins, and I'm switching them out when it's just a quarter full. For right now, it's no big deal. I could go get sponges from the dollar store. However, the way it pumps ink in, it's a little weird. So, I don't know. I still haven't put my mastermind into what's easier for this at the moment. Obviously, a line would be best, but I'm scared. Yes, I get scared too. But I am still going to do it. Drives me nuts when there's still a load of ink around. Make sure chip is clear. Alright, let me quit dragging this. I want to put in there. I'm wondering if a sham wow would work. I waste a large amount of napkins on this. I just want to test something on the 5000, so I'm hoping that this works, and I figured just to get the video out, because I get asked a lot. I'll put it up there. Oop, I just cut my glove. You'll want to split it so it'll split in the middle. I know, I waste a lot of napkins. Go to the dollar store. Go to the dollar store and actually get sponges, but I've been sick these last few days, so I haven't even drank my full bang. That says a lot. I'm going to cut slits in them. I kind of push down to get it nice and compact in there. Now, mind you, this is not the best solution because the other sponges are extra absorbent and it still drips, so do not let it overflow with the napkins. Just want to point that out. Alright, about 3 sets, and then I'm going to tuck one in over here. Little ashes flying everywhere. Okay. I made this too big. It's alright, I just put a little bit. I'm going to re-shove it back in there. And then a little piece to pick up what's coming in to the lip. Like I said, I spend way too much time with the napkins. Other ways out there. But for right now, this works for me. Alright, make sure that the napkin you have close to the hole here is not protruding, because it has to spit the ink in. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to grab my heat tape. It doesn't have to be heat tape, it's just thin, so really good idea to use. I'm going to get my piece of aluminum foil. If you press it on top, it will create a crease. And then you get X-Acto knife. Well, my X-Acto knife has been through some stuff. Jesus. What is going on? Well, I'm going to have to just cut mine with the scissors for right now, because I don't know what happened to my X-Acto knife. But with a working X-Acto knife, you should be able to just cut most of the edges off. You want to make sure the top is taped. Alright, you want to make sure it's flat all the way around, nice and stretched. Tape is kind of sucking right now. I think it was that giant heat flare I had going on in here yesterday. Alright, this is taking me a lot longer than normal because I'm out of focus. Alright, I'm not sure if having it hanging over is a problem. Last time I cut it right to the edge, but I left my X-Acto knife outside. Again, I'm making sure that it's tight on the top. This is way too much tape as well. God. But y'all get the gist, right? You know I'm a hot mess express up in here. And as long as I push that in, we should be okay. You want to make sure it's not extending the hole in the front. Now I've taped the front, but I've made sure the tape has ended before the hole. Everything should be good to go but the back. Alright, we should be good. This is what the final product looks like. Again, don't mind my hot mess express. My tape is acting a fool. Alright. Then you'll want to get your chip resetter. It's best to reset it once it's clean, only because you don't want the ink to spill out. I do this a couple times. If you let it get past 15%, it's gonna take heck for it to read, or at least with the 4900. Alright, and that's how I do the maintenance tank. Oh, you'll want to poke a vent hole here. I just used this little thing. I don't know if it was front or back, but take a look at where it sits on yours before you rip it off and make the hole. I think it's the back, but I'm doing them both just in case. Alright, and that's it. As you see, oh, so it's the back that needs it, not the front. But hey, here's my mix shift. And we're good.